Hello, my name is Anthony Aoade, and this is my midterm thesis presentation for the 2014 fall semester at Academy Art University. I'm currently an art director for an advertising agency in New Jersey and have been for the past 9 years. At Aoade, as well as freelance work, I have designed for various medias. Through my experience, I have seen over the years the focus from print to digital has changed drastically. Since these changes, I have pursued to extend my career in new media and web design at Academy Art University to help my career grow in a path of how advertising world is going. Throughout this presentation, I will be showing you my research as well as my prototype to best explain and visually show you my thesis project. For my thesis project, it was chosen based on personal experience. I know that everyone has gone at least once food shopping in a grocery store. We all can notice that each store has different techniques of making shopping easier. Whether it's their mobile app, scanning guns, or self-checkouts, they're trying to make it easier for everyone. I know when I go to the local store, I see these scanning guns to use, but nobody ever uses them. Then when I went to another store, they didn't have them at all. Also, now with more and more of mobile apps popping up to make shopping lists, each one has pros and cons, but never accommodates everything all in one. So in conclusion of my research, I said it would be nice, since we all use our phones, to have a mobile app that would be easier to go to each store and shop the same way. This thought process then became my thesis, which I've decided to make a mobile app called QwikShop. QwikShop is a mobile grocery store app that will work for every store and with great features such as making lists, scanning items, and self-checkout scan. Here are some research photos I took of a local grocery store, which when you first walk in, they have this big display of scanning guns, but nobody uses them. The display clearly explains how to use them, but I think the main issue is that without a person there to promote these, nobody will ever use them on their own. Personally, a mobile app is something they would use more of since it's on their phone and they're more susceptible to that. My target audience is for everyone who has a smartphone. Since the majority of society has a smartphone, this would be much more beneficial for them to use. Young or old, as long as you are mobile savvy with apps, you will be able to use this app and see the benefits as well as the convenience. The first example shown of someone using this app is a young student shopper who could use this app for quick things that he needs for his apartment or dorm on campus. He would make his list before class, and then he would go shopping in between to save time. The next is a mother who has 2 children and values every moment with trying to find the time to get food for their house. Besides shopping, she will also use this app to monitor the things she will need week in and week out with saving her lists. The last is an older man who might not be as tech savvy as the first two, but loves to use this app to get in and get out of the grocery store for essential items for him and his wife. Based on my research, I have seen how different mobile apps are convenient, and for QwikShop, I've adopted some of these features that will make it simpler to just have one grocery app that will do all of these features you need when shopping. Also, you will see 2 examples that show the pros and cons of mobile grocery store apps. Here you will see the grocery store's mobile app for Stop and Shop, which is clear and has great features, but seems to be overloaded and somewhat outdated. Some of the pros and cons about this app are having an easy navigation to get through and find what you need, a Peapod mobile app feature for people to order from their phone at any time to get groceries delivered, and a weekly ad to see specials updated weekly. The cons are that it's only used for Stop and Shop stores. It seems to be outdated and only able to load rewards card from desktop versions. Overall good, but limited to these stores only. The next app I looked at was Grocery Gadget. This app has great updated modern style and a lot of great features. The pros are a search feature which locates the right product you are looking for, as well as coupons they offer for you to save, and the scanning feature to add items to take them off your lists. The cons are the app costs $3. You must sign into another coupon site to receive these coupons as well, and you can only add 20 items at a time. Overall, good and great style, but not many will spend $3 when others are free. After I came up with the name for this app, I started to think of typical icons but wanted to integrate the name with the icon. I wanted to show it's a grocery shopping app with using a grocery shopping cart but also having the name attached so it won't be the same as others currently out there in the mobile app world. After coming up with the logo, I went on to choosing colors. The logo consists of a shopping cart as well as a squiggle line inside of it to give that look of writing a shopping list. When thinking about colors, I did some research and found that blue was the best for an app. They rate a blue color to be most popular as well as the most trusting color. Also, my font choice was to show more emphasis on the word shop too. When figuring out user requirements, I went through a hierarchy of what things would be most important to this app. You will see I've mapped out what are the important features for each three main topics. To start off, the goals are to make it a better shopping experience, saving time and money, and a better scanning feature than other mobile apps currently out there. The stakeholders are the investors because this app will create a better shopping experience, monitor shopping habits of customers, and will help shopping from store to store. The user requirements show how it's compatible with the iPhone and Android users. Also has the ability to create an account for every user and a geolocator which will locate your phone wherever you are at in any grocery store. The information architecture for the QwikShop mobile app shows you the navigation of the mobile app. Here you will see how the mobile app works from start to finish. As you can see here, the QwikShop app starts from the top of the page, and then you can work your way down to the end result of checking out with the checkout feature. This style of navigation structure is called cul-de-sac because it has one central start point and all of the other pieces funnel down to the one last option to complete the purpose of the app. The wireframes for QwikShop are showing you the mobile app in its simplest form prior to the design process. You will see the frames built out, showing you where the graphics will be placed. Here, the wireframes are showing you the pages of each level of feature and navigation option, starting with the home page, account page, welcome page, menu page, store listings, shopping lists, weekly specials, QwikShop scanner, and QwikShop checkout. Now that you have seen the wireframes for QwikShop mobile app, here in this section, you will now see the design and the style for this mobile app applied. I have chosen a more modern look and feel. As well as the design, I will show you the way the app will work by showing you all of the menu tabs going to each appropriate page. Here is the home page for the QwikShop mobile app. You have two options on this page. You can either create an account or log in. I will create an account to show you all of the main pages. When you get to the Create an Account page, you will need to fill out all the fields requested and then click Submit. This will then take you to the Welcome page where you can start to use this app. So now that you have an account and you are logged in, you can start by selecting the menu tab at the top left, where the three white bars are, and this will slide over to show you the navigation for this app. You will then see the main navigation, which includes the store locator, list, weekly specials, QwikShop scanner, and the QwikShop checkout. To start, let's go to the store locator. As you select the store locator, it will bring up the stores in that area. You can then select which one you like to use, and then it can bring you to the store list for that store. Since we have selected Stop and Shop, you will see the list come up for that location you have created. Then, you can add all the items to your list by checking them off. But you also have the ability to take them off your list too if you don't want that item anymore. After using this feature, we can go back and look at the weekly specials. On the weekly specials page, you will see the items that pop up that are on sale for that particular store. The store items will pop up like a digital circular. From there, you can add these items to your list. After adding them from the specials section, you can go back to your list and continue shopping. When using your list, you can also add items as well by scanning them from the QwikShop scanning feature. The QwikShop scanning feature is a great feature which will cut down on time when searching for items and adding them to your list. This feature will give you the ability to take items off your list as well as add them on by scanning each of them. As you can see, the items will scan directly from your personal phone and will be added to your shopping list. When all done shopping, you can go to the checkout counter and use the QwikShop checkout feature. The QwikShop checkout feature is one of the best things about this app. It will cut down on your time for rescanning all the items you just spent time shopping for. Since you have scanned each item already and placed them in your cart, now your total bill has been accounted for on your phone. When you get to this section for this feature, it allows you to check out by scanning the barcode from your phone. It will then populate the items from your cart in order for you to pay and check out. In conclusion, the QwikShop app will help create a fast-moving pace for any store, as well as a better personal shopping experience. Thank you for listening to my thesis project about my new grocery store mobile app, QwikShop. I hope this was very informative and helpful to see the next generation of grocery shopping. Looking forward to the next steps of getting this implemented for everyone's use.